Understanding the new engine technology for this car has become a major science project all in itself. In this video, we're going to discuss why I believe that this scanner is the best buy for a do-it-yourself person. It provides full EOM bidirectional capabilities, and it has a free lifetime updates, so there's no subscription fee to pay after 2 years. It also provides the secure gateway functionality required for this vehicle, and there's no extra fees for the SGW. There's no auto auth type fees involved. This is a single manufacturer scanner. Mine is chosen for the Honda, Genesis, and Kia that are supported by this particular product. You can add additional manufacturers in the product mall, and here's 2 examples of what it costs to add these 2 different manufacturers. This HK version that I have also offers a Hyundai Plus option, but I looked through it and there's only like 7 additional items that can be done, and I don't need any of those 7 functions at this time. So this product remains a free lifetime update product at this time. I was considering this product the 7-inch version CRP 919 XBT, but as it turns out, this product has some serious renewal expenses. This product contains all manufacturers, therefore the renewal fee after the first 2 years is $169.99, but there's more to it than that. This is a license renewal and not an upgrade renewal. Therefore, after the 2 years, if you don't pay this $170, then the device quits working because it's a license renewal. The description of the renewal is very clear about this, so this is not suited for most DIY people which only have 1, maybe 2 vehicles, and they don't need the latest updates for the newest vehicles every year. Another advantage I find with this device is there is no login, no passwords, none of that crap. They're not trying to steal all your information. You simply put in your email if you want to use the share feature, but other than that, there's no registration. You just turn it on, make it available to an internet access connection, and it just works without invading all your privacy. I want to point out that the schematic used in the previous scan tool video has errors on it. It shows the DLC connector with no connections on pin 14. Well, in fact, it does have connections on pins 6 and 14. When I connected up my breakout box, I could clearly see it was using pins 6 and 14 to communicate. I recorded some ECU live data, but unfortunately I can't share this recording once it's been saved. So instead I took some screenshots, and I can now share the screenshots. Here at idle RPM, you can clearly see that the exhaust camshafts will be minus 123. That's the set point, and the actual value is shown here. Here you can see that the set point for 2800 RPM is minus 105 degrees, and the actual report is minus 102. And this varies because the hydraulics is very unreliable as far as accuracy. It just shifts back and forth. Here I'm listing all the modules that this device supports on the Hyundai. And notice that these pictures are kind of draining. They were taken with a camera. The previous pictures were actually screen snapshots that the device itself created, and then I emailed them to myself. So that's all I have to say about this scanner. I think it's very good for DIY.